Wish poppins. I went to the Dollar General because I had to get some house cleaning stuff, and I wanted to check out their dollar section at my local Dollar Tree or Dollar General. And my Dollar General is popping. There's a lot of stuff. I could easily spend $100 in their dollar section, but I didn't do that. I'm going to show you what I did get for cleaning up the house today. Okay, so this is what I got. Everything was $1 from the little dollar spot. I spent like 18 and change. These items are not for cleaning, obviously. These are the Yardley London Natural, fresh dry facial towelettes. I thought those were super cool. I was super excited. Let me move this. I was super excited about these. I would have bought all of them if I had tomorrow's payday, you feel me? So I just had a few little somethings to spend. Then I got Carpet Fresh. They smell okay. I'm gonna see how they smell on the carpet. I got this non-scratch hand saver scorer. It's just a little thing, a little sponge or whatever. Got these because we needed those badly. Got 2 candles. These Wizard ones smelled the best. There were a bunch of other ones, but they had no smell to them, so I got these. I got this. This is the first time I've ever tried this. It is bleach liquid gel. It's lemon. So it cleans, deodorizes, and whitens. So beautiful. Yeah, cool. Very cool. And then last but not least, I got antibacterial soap. That's all I got. Oh, wait. I went to the Dollar Tree, too. Let me show you that. All right, so this is what I got from Dollar Tree. Just a little something. So I've got these Joe Boxer flushable wipes. They come with 30 individually wrapped pre-moistened wipes. I got these multivitamin cleansing wipes. I heard these were really, really good. I actually saw a video where this girl bought the whole box of them. It was pretty funny. I got the Ioni. I believe this is a part of the Glow Getter, if I'm not mistaken. Is it? I don't see it anywhere on here. Oh, yeah, Glow Getter. This is the liquid lip and cheek. This is a lip gloss, the grapefruit extract lip glaze. This is a part of the Glow Getter as well. Nail art cuticle oil, Glow Getter as well. This is a part of the this is a part of, oh my gosh. This is a glossy lip balm. This is a part of the Glow Getter as well. So I guess my mouth was set up to say it. I got this. This is a staple. I put this on my feet every single night. Really great stuff. And then silicone lip scrubbers. So yeah, that's really all I've got for you today. I'll talk to y'all later. Peace.